All right, Bubba, let's go. Woo! Oh! It was on. It was on. What's up, YouTube? Today we're out here at Carnegie as per usual. We got Jake or Snake, we got Caden. NFR ditched us. Just kidding, they took off without us, so we don't know where they are. We're just doing some straight up moto vlogging, just riding. Nothing to talk about today, just ripping. So let's get into it. Hell yeah, brother. Hey! Who is that?
How you doing?
Good. How you doing? You guys from Alta or what? Oh, okay. Awesome.
What's up? How you doing?
Pretty good. I don't recognize any of you three. Kevin.
Friend, Louis, after sales, and Michael, manufacturing engineering.
Awesome.
And we got Oliver somewhere down there, firmware.
Oh, okay. Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, shoot, guys. Have a good time.
Thanks, you too, man.
Hell yeah. Oh, thank you. That was really cool, man. Seeing some Alta guys, especially ones that I haven't met before. Well, these are some of my favorite side trails. It's a little off camber and sketchy. Nope. Show off! Dude. Try again. It looks easy, but it's hard to get speed.
Yeah, it's really loose.
That was weird, those Alta guys were here. Nice.
I saw one of them and they just kept coming up.
Oh no, I want to do this one more time.
Yeah?
I want to make it.
Yeah. Fucking right around that corner. Second gear.
I don't have gears.
I know.
All right, here we go. I made it! That was on camera.
This one leads on that crossroad right there.
With a tire, maybe. We're out here running slicks. We're out here running slick. Look at that. Look at that. What is this?
Good for the boys.
I'm getting my tire change as soon as we get back.
Yeah.
So this is what we call the U. Because this hill does a big U. And it's a huge climb. Huge. Just brap all the way up. Lean back, traction, please traction. Yee! I got no tire left, but we made it work, guys. We made it work.
Is there anything you don't like about it?
Not really. No, I mean, the only one thing is that you're limited to, if your riding habits are that you ride 5 hours and before you come back to camp, this will not work for you. I have 3/4 battery left and we started riding at like 10. So it lasts for a while, but like if you want to go fast and far like a fire road and you guys are booking, it won't work for you. So there's that. If that's not how you ride, then there's nothing to complain about. It's like me, I just come around here, go down, come around here, go down. That's how I do with all my bikes. So to me it's a non-issue, but for some people it would be. Yeah. So
You're a hell of a spokesman for Alta.
oh my gosh. So I got a new tire and let me tell you, holy moly, such a big difference. Gosh, my tire was so bald. And it is the worst trying to ride with a completely bald tire on stuff like this. Oh, loud. Oh my gosh, it's so gnarly. I'm ready to die for my viewers. Oh, baby. Man, a new tire is like life-changing. I almost forgot. Yee! New tire, dude. Oh my gosh. So much better.
Yeah.
Oh God. It's like night and day. Visibility, -50. Are you good? Oh, it never gets old. That's such BS. I love it. He gone. Oh, damn, dude. Oh. Yeah.
Alright. I only have to say one thing. That's not fair. Stop! And then you still made it up. This fucking tractors. Holy shit.
Dude, new tire, bro.
It's on the battery.
Woo! That was amazing.
I think so.
Oh, he's going backwards. Get. If you guys didn't realize, that's some serious torque that allows me to just walk up stuff like that. Tractor! Tractor mode! You can do it! That's awesome! Killing it out here with this thing. Woo! Yeah, new tire, electric bike. Totally. All right, y'all, we're at the top of 3 Hole Rock. We just made that up right now. This isn't a real place. But we're gonna end the video right here, right now. It's getting late, everyone's dwindled off. All we got left is Jake. Today we hit some gnarly climbs. We did some stuff that I've never personally seen before. It was pretty gnarly. So if you like this video, smash that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, please do subscribe. And as always, until next time, Electro out.